Oh wow, the box is very nice. Oh look, it has forms though. That's kind of cool. I know this is kind of dumb to get excited about. Let's see if they're pink or they're messing with us. What a duck that I am. Oh my god, these are really cute actually. Unless I forgot to order it. How are you guys? Hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing good. So today we are doing a nail mail type of video, an Amazon haul, all nail products that I purchased. I haven't done one of these in so long. I don't really spend my money crazy like that on stuff. I try to be very careful with what I buy throughout the years. So I haven't done this in a while, so that's why there's so many things. This isn't a very common occurrence, okay? So sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. It's just one of those times where it's a blessing, you know what I mean? I need these things though for nails, so obviously I'm very grateful, but they are a necessity as well to do what I gotta do with my nails, right? Okay, so I'm gonna open the first one, and I'm really excited about this because I won't even tell you what it is. I'm excited. I know what it is. This is the big box. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys, while you watch the channel. All right. Okay, I see it. We're going to get it out. It's a lamp. Oh, wow. The box is very nice. I think I ordered the white one. This is what the box looks like for the pink one. I did not order the pink one. So it's a 96 hybrid ProCure LED lamp. It's very nice. Look at that. Like the box is very nice. But if there's a problem that the color's off, that sucks. But then again, I don't like complaining about dumb stuff like the color. Oh, there's more in here. Wait a minute, oh, here was the book for my son. Read. Yeah, I got him 2 IXL. This is not nails, hold on. This is an IXL book for my son. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, I love IXL. It's actually good that's in here because I've been wanting to mention to stay-at-home moms that ask. I always see people on social media asking what you do for curriculums. This is the one we use, but we also use their online. We just got books so that we can also write down. Obviously, it's good to write things down. It's better for the brain to program yourself to remember. I don't know where to put this. I'm going to leave it in this box. Okay, so this is I don't know what they're called. These are from a cart though. 4-in-1 glue gel. I got a white one and a clear one. It's like that little gummy looking thing you can do 3D art with. I am used to doing 3D art with acrylic. I've been doing those for like way over 10 years now. And I've been used to using acrylic for 3D art. So I know how to use this because I've done it. But I like how this creates flowers. It creates really nice flowers. So we're going to be testing this one out. This has a lot of stuff, so we're going to be opening it. But let's get back into this. We'll get with that in a second. So we got to open this up. It's a 96 watt hybrid ProCure LED lamp. I got this because they said that the higher the watts, the better. So, oh, and it is cordless, by the way. Oh, I like how you can like carry this if you gotta go somewhere with it. All right, so let's get it out the box. And so we're not reviewing anything today. We're actually just doing an unboxing. I might show you guys these products in separate videos, so stay tuned for that. Here is the charger. That's what it looks like, just a regular charger. And remember, it's cordless, so you don't have to worry about it, how long it is really. You just have to make sure it's always charged. All right, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this looks, okay, this looks like it was scratched up, but there is a sticker to remove it, so that's good. Oh, look, here goes. Okay, we might have to show this in another video because I want to turn it on and everything. So we're just going to do the haul now, but I am going to be showing you guys in a separate video because, yeah, this is the right one. I was like, is this the right one? I remember it looking like this. I didn't want the pink chrome one. Not that it's ugly, I just really like the white. So hopefully we like this. It looks good so far. It's kind of sturdy. It feels heavy, which is a good sign, I believe. Open this up. Remember, now Artiste Collection, your nail lab. What is in here? I thought it was just the jelly beans, which is nice. It's like a whole little gift bag. Oh, okay. We don't got to worry about one of these. I need another one of these because I lost the piece to the end of my other one. Just get everything out. Oh, I dropped it. This is the 4-in-1 glue clear. So we're going to open it. I'm curious how much is in here. These are very lightweight. You can feel how lightweight it is. Oh, come on. I have to get something to open this. I have to finish opening this up some other time, but that's what that looks like. Wow. That's not a bad amount if it's full, but I have a feeling it's not. But either way, that's a good amount. Because you can do a lot with this. Okay, that's the clear. I think I still have to order a different color. I think it's like a off-white color I want. Okay, this one's just the white. I'm not going to open it because we'll have to find out in another video. And it came with 2 chromes, which is nice. We'll have to try these out in a separate video altogether to see how good these things are together. So for now, we're going to throw them back in there. And it comes with eyeshadow brushes for the chrome. And I do like how it comes with silver and gold. It comes with a buffer. And this is the little tool I really like, a silicone tool for the little gel. I don't even know what it's called. I used to call it gel putty. I don't know what people call this. It just says gel glue or glue gel. Oh wait, what's this? Oh wait, it comes with tips. Oh, I'm assuming because you can use this to do your nails, I guess. Oh, look, it has forms though. That's kind of cool. We'll see what, oh my God. Okay. I did not expect this. I know this is kind of dumb to get excited about, but this is really cute. It has these molds in it. Little tiny molds. You can create little art, you can create little 3D art hearts, different sizes, and little flowers. We're gonna do this in a separate video. All right, I'm gonna put the dual forms and the cover tips away. That's cool. I didn't know it came with all that. It's really weird. I just got it because it had 2 things in it, and it came with a lot more. Okay. Okay, we got some N95 masks. So we obviously need to protect our lungs. Not just any mask will protect you guys. And like I said, none of these things were sent to me by any company. None of these things were given to me for PR or anything. I want to show you guys what I buy, what I think is important. I'm going to be very honest. I've never bought these before until now. And I think that's horrible. But also, it's a good thing you start sometime. Like, it's a good thing that I had a dust collector and I tried to be very mindful of let's not get the dust in our face. And I did order another one. So I'll show you that. These are black. I think I ordered another color. Okay, what's in this bag here? Oh, okay, so I ordered a solid builder gel okay, I guess that's what it's called, solid builder gel. Just like the Macart, I ordered a different brand because I tried one from Temu once. They sent me some stuff and I've been wanting to try out other brands to see if they compare. So we got clear from Macart with white, and then we have a clear from I don't know how to say that. So this is a very important product too. I was having problems cleaning my cuticles when I did these nails because I needed a new one of these cuticle bits. And this is a flame bit, I believe. I forgot the size of this one. This says 2mm fine. So I got this one to clean up cuticles. So I'm excited about that. And we're going to see how it works, and I'll give you guys an honest review. Next, we'll do this box. Looks like nothing's in here. Okay, we got something. Oh, okay, so this is a Macart nail foil glue. Okay, the reason I bought this is because I bought this before, this brand, this foil glue, and I bought other ones. This one's really good. I don't know if my new one, if my old one's working well. I'm going to try to do new oil art. So I was gonna get this just in case the other one stopped working because it's old. It's like 2 or 3 years old. So we're just getting another one to see if it works better or not. What's in this box? Let's see. It's like Christmas all over again. Okay. This is a holy grail item for nail techs. If you're a nail tech, if you do nails, if you're a nail enthusiast, if you have been in the position of getting annoyed when the nail tip is not sticking on to your actual natural nail, then this is your hero of the day. This is Hurry Up Spray Nail Glue Dryer. I've been using this for years, and I think I used to go get it at Sally's all the time. I feel like the bottle was bigger. Am I tripping? I don't know. Somebody tell me in the comments. But I used to buy it at Sally's when I would have clients, and all of a sudden one day I go to Sally's and they're like, we don't carry that anymore. I was like, no. Because I knew Amazon did, but you know, sometimes everything's like more expensive on Amazon. Sometimes, not always, sometimes. This was one of those things. So that was a good purchase. Open this, second to last box. I think I have other things coming today, you guys. So if I have a chance, I'll show you because I haven't received them as of yet. They are, I think, Hoopa gel base and top coat. And if I'm not mistaken, some gloves and some empty cuticle oil pens. You guys seen those in my other videos. I love making my own cuticle oil. Okay, so then here are the, I think, other colors. Is this the pink one? It's supposed to be pink. So if it's not pink, I'm gonna be so upset. I should open one then. Okay, so this is a 50-piece set. It doesn't say what color for some reason, but I ordered pink ones. Well, it says PK, so it has to be pink. Let's open them. Let's see if they're pink or they're messing with us. And like I said, everything is from Amazon, so I'll be linking everything down in case you guys want to purchase any of these things that I really like to use. And some of these I find, they're new, and I find that you're going to need them regardless. Ooh, they're very cute looking. But yeah, if the other things come, I'll just put them somewhere in a snippet so you guys could see it. Oh, they're in an individual thing. Okay, well, actually... Huh? There's like a bunch of them in one little pack, or is that how it looks? I don't know. I have never tried these. Remember when that whole viral thing was going on in 2020? People were saying you should be wearing these masks because they're more, I think it's airborne illnesses you're trying to watch out for, and also you don't want stuff to, like, dust to actually go in. Like the regular mask, it actually goes in. Okay, they're cute though. KN95. This is how it is. Like, did I get something wrong? I don't know. Oh my god, I'm messing up my lipstick. Did I get something wrong? Oh, I'm putting it on all wrong. You're supposed to unflap it, and I just got lipstick on it. Nice. All right. I guess like this. Oh, okay, no wonder. What a duck that I am. Oh my god, these are really cute actually. Yeah, I can see how, like, it's a good barrier. Cute. So if you're doing nails, you look like a cute baddie, you know. Okay, so these are nice. I love these actually, and they're pink. Like, what else? Oh, I know what else did I think I ordered an apron. I don't think it's here yet. I think unless I forgot to order it, or if it's coming tomorrow. I gotta check on that. If I do get more stuff, you guys, I'll just keep you guys updated. Okay, this is the last thing, because now I gotta clean this mess and I gotta go tend to my children. Okay, this is Rhinestone Glue by McCart. I've bought this before. I think back then people were using this a lot for... My friend Kimberly told me to use, she was using this for diamonds. I didn't really like it for diamonds. Then people were using this for designs, and it was pretty decent for designs actually, for chrome and stuff like that. But I think it's not a tackless. It has a tacky layer at the end, and you would have to put like a tackless or non-sticky no white top coat after this if you want to do chrome on top of the design, so that the chrome would actually, you know, go on there nice and shiny. and not shimmery versus that. Else, they said that it's better to get a non-wipe builder type of gel, like a thicker one. And I did used to do unicorn nails, I think, with Sandy's Breeza gel, which is more like it's a builder gel, but it's a softer gel. So now I tried Crazy Top gel, never going back. Yeah, it's right here. This isn't from Amazon though, but I'll put the link down below too. This is a non-wipe overlay Crazy Top fake, and this is what I've been using because you don't have to actually put any like top coat non-wipe top coat to make it work on the chrome, or the chrome to work on top of it. So miracle. But I did get this because certain designs is it easier to do. Oh, I think that's it. That's the last thing. All right. My child is screaming for me. My son's watching her while I was doing this, so I really got to go. Okay, so that's all, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think my favorite thing today must have been the mask because I didn't know how cute they were going to be. There's 50 of them here, so yeah. And I'll be showing you guys a lot of these products and how I use them on the channel. Okay, so you guys know how I told you if I get the other packages, I will show you guys in this video. So the other packages came, and one of the things that came was these nitro exam gloves in the color Cherry Blossom, and there is actually 100 of them inside, so you have 50 uses for them. And then the next thing I got was these cuticle oil sticks. They are empty cuticle oil bottles, and you can just refill them with whatever cuticle oil you want. You can DIY your cuticle oil. You can add some type of scent to them, like scent oils. I used to buy them off Amazon as well, like the melon cucumber smell and the mango smell. Just you throw that in there, a couple of drops of that with some cuticle oil, and you have great cuticle oil to give your clients or for yourself to carry around. The next thing is Base and Top by Coupa. I used to order these on their website. I was a big Coupa fanatic, and I love them though, but you have to try them. And then I have these buffer blocks. They are orange and black buffer blocks. These are great for acrylics or manicures. They always give you a free one. They do come with 10, but they always give you one free. Like, I think it's a fine buffer block. It was nice catching up with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and until next time. Oh yeah, and tell me which one of these products you've used and you actually really love and you'll recommend for anybody in the comments down below. Thanks guys. Bye bye.